nice. You know what's funny? That ad does not do this car justice at all.
No.
It really, really, really doesn't. You know what I mean? All right, here's a crazy thing. I was just talking to Dave about this. You know, I like to buy owners. Okay, I don't buy cars, I buy owners. So this car was originally on eBay, and honestly, the photo sucked. And I didn't really think much of it. I don't like the wheels, but you know, as I see the wheels in person, they're pretty friggin' nice. They're not bad, but I will change them to stock just because. But I don't know, Dave may rock them on the S4, I may rock them on my Cabrio. We might just switch off. Tires are brand new. But the funny thing is, we had the car inside. I really didn't even look at it. As soon as I went into the garage, I'm like, oh my God, the car is beautiful. Didn't bring it outside. I haven't even driven it yet. There's the garage right there. And the fact of the matter is that when I saw it, the way it was just looking in the garage and how clean it was, I was like, oh my God. Now look at this. By the way, this guy's a Porsche guy. This thing is mint shape. It's got the Alcantara suede up top. I mean, just look at everything. This is the way this guy keeps a car. So I'm looking to purchase something off of somebody like this guy. Is it perfect? No, nothing's perfect. The car's almost 25 years old, you know. But let me tell you, what a great looking automobile. Just warm it up here and gonna take it home.
You even got the racks.
Yeah, it's even got official Audi racks. This guy wasn't the original owner. He bought it, I think, in what do you say, 220? Yeah, around the COVID time, the COVID. So, but yeah, great car, has history to it, has receipts. The timing belt was done. There's nothing gaudy about this car except for those wheels. He redid the brakes. You know, he said the stopping power is amazing. I'll check it out. No, you know, there's really no real mod you could do to a 4.2. I'm just going to throw a K&N air filter. Going to put yellow fog lights as I always do. Put the Euro plates front and back, and basically put LED interior bulbs. That's right.
That's all you can really do.
Right.
Lighting.
Yeah, lighting.
Air filter.
And I'm going to put the racks back on, and I have racks at home for snowboards and stuff. Just the cool look. I'm not going to tint it. Yeah, yellow fogs, like I said. Not going to tint it, nothing. Just like even Dave's Tiguan, same thing. Yellow, rack. You know, there's really blackouts. He loves dark windows, but you know, not, you know. But no, we're going to fishbowl this bad boy, and that's about it. So yeah, first day, got to drive it home. Let's see if the tranny's blown. The crazy part is too, I gave the guy the money, he didn't count it, and I didn't test drive it, so we're kind of even. So if the tranny's blown, it's on me, and who knows, maybe I shorted him some money. Nah, I didn't do it. I didn't even negotiate with the guy. I gave him what he asked for and everything else. Now, it's on eBay. It's doing lower than what I paid for it, but you want to know something? This car's worth every penny that I paid for it. I think it's worth double. It should have been double what I paid for it in all actuality. This car is really, really exceptional for the year and everything else. There's just one ping down there that I'm seeing, and that's really about it. I mean, it's hard to keep a car. I mean, brand new cars, yeah, there's a nice little Q3. Newer cars are in worse shape than a lot of these older ones, so you gotta keep that in mind, especially living out here. But it was garage, kept its whole life in there, so it's nice. Heated garage too, by the way.